Hey guys, it's April 24 hapon, kasagsagan ng init. Actually, ito Rocco na binidyohan. We are on our way to our favorite destination, airport. For today, it's been quite a while since huli ako nakapag-upload. And for today's video, we're going to Malaysia and Singapore. Kasama si Riri. Si Harold kasi hindi pa na-process yung passport. Sayang, susunod na to. And together with Madam na 7 months nang pregnant, and don't you worry, meron kaming travel permit and she's all good. She has the medication. She's fit to travel. Yeah, this is going to be her last travel before we pop the baby. So ayan. And we're going to Malaysia first, and then we are spending 1 day in Singapore. So we'll have a separate vlog for that. We will have a less than 24-hour vlog in Singapore. So ayan, but for the meantime, samahan nyo kami. Let's go ahead and explore Malaysia. Anyway, let's go guys! Uy, bago lahat sa aking humble page, just please like, share, and subscribe naman. So ayan, that's gonna help out a lot. Thanks guys, let's go! So finally, after almost 4 hours of flight, we have just arrived here in Malaysia. Madam! So medyo pagod si Buntis. So we're going to immigration. I will try to get a SIM card here in Malaysia muna, and then magpalit ng peso to their local currency as usual, and then may grab kasi dito. So mag-grab na lang kami from airport to our hotel. It's already past 2 o'clock in the morning. So first time namin actually nagbumiyahe international ng gabi. So there, let's explore Malaysia, and let's go. Sama lang kayo ha. So, mako-compare nyo kasi sobra talaga, di ba? Ang init kanina sa airport natin. Ang init na, wala pang elevator. Dito, in fairness, kahit mga walang tao, hindi silang titipid, malamig. No. Kaso wala yung walkalator nila. Nakapatay siguro dahil madaling araw. Yep, just made it through immigration. So, kunin na lang natin yung bagahe, and then papalit tayong pera. So, we're now trying to go out and look for a place na mapagpabibilan namin ng SIM card. So, this is how the airport looks like. Ewan ko, halatang hindi pa to inlabas, pero may coffee shop, merong bilihan. Obviously dito pwede tayo bumili ng SIM card. So ayan, let's go. Okay, so nakabili na ako ng SIM card, 100 gigabyte. It's at 55 ringgit, no? 55 ringgit, 100 gigabyte, and it's good to use here in Malaysia. Oh, 66 pala. It's good to use here in Malaysia, Singapore, Indonesia, and Thailand. So, ayun, at least pagkapunta natin sa Singapore tomorrow, di na kailangan pang bumili pa ni bagong SIM card. Roughly around 800. So, pwede na. Ayun, so we're just going to get some cab going to our hotel and take a rest. So, after an hour, we just got here in Upper Regalia Hotel. It's a nice hotel, guys. I'll show you guys the view in front. Let me show you. Ayan, so ayan ang view sa harap. Actually, nandun na yung Petronas Towers. Ayan, right there, over there. So ayan, so check-in muna tayo and let's go. So ito yung baba niya. So look, it's a high-rise actually. May mga koi fish oh. Ayan oh, high-rise. Wow, okay. So where do we go? So, alasing ko na. Sobrang aga na. We got in here 2:30. 5 o'clock. 2:30 tayo sa Malaysia. 5 o'clock tayo dumating dito sa hotel. Tulog tayo buong magdabal. Okay na yan. Okay, let's see. Oh, it looks nice. It looks really nice. Wait lang. So, ito yung king size bed natin. Ito yung family room kasi. I have a workstation. Tapos meron si Riri dito. Oh, wow. Okay. This is nice. Oh, wow. Tapos, inside view lang tayo kasi family room. Oh, this is nice. Oh. Settle down, settle down. Okay. Okay. Actually, kanina ko pa gustong mag number 2. So, check lang natin yung CR. Looks really nice. Maybe they finally. Okay, let's do this. CR. Hey guys, good morning. So, after a few hours of sleep, actually, like 3 hours lang, nagising ako kasi gutom na gutom ako. So, I guess it's perfect time for us to have a breakfast muna. And then kind of roam around and check their pool and amenities. So ayun, ito yung kagabi nating nakita. Ayan, ito yung pagpasok dito. So this is really a high-rise building. Ayan, breakfast muna tayo. So then we're here doing buffet. Pwede na, pero parang nakukulangan ako sa 430 ringgit. Nakukulangan ako sa menu nila. At gutom na rin naman. Let's go. Okay, we're done with our breakfast. So, as you can see, it's really like a cozy and wonderful hotel. One thing I must say, it's very cheap. Because I think for 4 days, I only paid for less than 10,000 pesos. Murang-mura, no? Ganda dito. At, ayan. There you go. Papakita ko sa inyo sa harap nito. The towers are here. Look. So, ayan. Mamaya makikita natin actually yan ng mas malapit. That's the Petronas Tower. Ayan. Wow. Galing. Okay. Lunchtime. Yan, ginising ko na si Riri. Yan. Si Madam. Punta kami sa isang mall malapit dito sa hotel namin. And we're just gonna be buying yung adapter nila kasi yung mga saksakan ng charger laptop hindi compatible dun sa socket nila dito. So we're going to a mall called Sunway Putra. So yan, samahan nyo kami. So looking at their mall, it's comparable to malls in the Philippines. Parehas. We also have H&M. So, go up. Okay. So, we're inside Mr. DIY nila dito. We're trying to look for a socket na parang ganito yung dulo. Kasi ganito yung dulo ng mga saksakan nila. Yeah, ayun, palagi naming dala-dala yun. Ngayon lang namin nakalimutan. So, trying to look for one. Behind lampshade daw. Finally got it. This is very, very, very important. Ang dami kong ganito. You have to have this when you're traveling. Talagang iba ang mga sakit nila dito compare sa atin. So here, they kinda have a food court too. Variety of foods to choose from. Japanese, Malaysian, Korean, American, I guess Thailand too. So we're just gonna pick whatever meal we want. So, anong gusto mo, madam? Korean. Let's see. So, they found a Japanese resto here. Na si Rian nakakita pa ng gusto naka-Indian seat. Pinahirapan pati takaran niya. O, sige, upo. Better? O, sige, paano pagtatayo? Yan. Sana maligaya kayo na kumakain lang kayo, hindi kayo nagbabayad, ha? O, go. Sige, go lang. Kunin mo na lahat. Kainin mo. Sige lang. Hindi, sige na. Go, go, go.
Parang labanos.
Hindi, tequila.
Parang pickles.
Yeah. Okay, so I think our orders are complete. Itadaikimasu. Itadaikimasu, sabi mo.
Itadaikimasu.
Ay, patay tayo. So, still on our day 1. Actually, mga alas 6 na ngayon and we just woke up. Today's really a slow day because all we wanted to do today is just really take a rest and just eat outside. No specific itinerary aside from what's gonna happen tonight. Tonight is our City of Light tours. Ito yung nasa bus kayo, nasa taas ng bus yung open, and then yung bus na walang bubong, and then you're gonna be on a tour around the city to see the attractions. Obviously it does require some good weather, and ngayon sa panahon ngayon sobrang init. It's been quite a while since nakakita ako ng ulan. And speaking, I don't know if you guys can see, it seems to be raining outside. It actually is raining outside. So, I don't know what's gonna happen kasi obviously hindi matutuloy yun kung umuulan. I don't know kung anong contingency nila pag ganun umuulan. So, pero tignan pa rin natin. Pupunta pa rin tayo dun sa meet up. We are going to be there. We should be there by 7:30 p.m. and then take off at 8. So, just let's see. So, we're out. Just waiting for the Grab to pick us up for the City of Lights tour. Ito yung labas. Damn it. It's out of the days na uulan. Bakit ngayon pa? Loko. Napakainit this past few days. Tapos biglang gosh. Okay. Dito na kami sa may dun dapat sa bus para hindi kami umabot. Hindi kami umabot kasi 7:30 yung meet up, alas 8 na. Dahil sa Grab, ilang beses kaming hindi na pick up. Kaya sobrang aga pa naman namin. So lesson, you have to really go out early because of the traffic as well. Pero kahit maaga, na-late pa rin kami. Ay. You guys have no idea, pero we made it on time. So, let's go. Shit, we did it. Let's go. So yeah, there's the bus. Umabot. so we did make it.
Ladies and gentlemen, gently reminder, smoking, eating, and drinking is strictly prohibited. Please keep the buses
Pero dito
always
kami sa
clean.
loob,
Thank you and
sa labas.
keep
Sayang, ang sarap sana dun sa loob, sa labas. Ha? So yun, umabot nga kami kaso dito naman kami sa loob. Parang pangit lang. Pero okay na yun, at least umabot. I think so, first come, first serve. Ayun o, saya-saya na dun sa labas. Kasi kita mo yung lahat, walang harang, hangin. Okay, so at this point, I don't think na, well, iba pag nasa labas, no? So I suggest you come here early, guys. Pagka talagang 7:30 ang meetup, 7:30. Actually, maaga naman talaga kami umalis. The problem is, yung Grab, ilang beses ko kailangan i-cancel kasi sobrang layo at hindi talaga abot. So ayun, dahil latecomers kami, ayan, dito kami sa loob. We can only see so much, but yeah, I don't think na it's good na pagka gusto nyo ito, mag City of Light tours, nandito kayo sa loob. Ganda pa rin yung nasa labas. I didn't know na pwede palang bumaba. So, yan. Let's look at this. Wow. Look. It's like their park. Nice. Love it. And we're getting near the tower. Hopefully hopefully we could get nearer. Look at that. Wow. That is just amazing. So that concludes our tour. Approximately mga 2 hours din no? So yun, galing lang kami balik sa hotel and prepare for takeoff sa Singapore. Yeah, let's go. So, not sure what's there. We'll take a look at that, but meron lang nagustuhan si Riri. Okay, ice cream. Baka mapana ka dyan, ha? Oh. Alright, thank you. Thank you so much. Alright, bye. Okay, wow. May nagbabasking dito. Wow. Nice life. I don't know where we are, pero may Grab naman. But we're trying to look for a nice place to eat. Let's go! So, look. Alam mo, sobrang daming pwedeng kainan, hindi kami makapili. I think, oo, alam mo, wala tayong mapili. Sige, let's just walk. If not, let's just go sa hotel. Doon na lang tayo kumain.